I do not have any financial interests to disclose regarding this introduction. The Robert N. Shaffer Glaucoma Lecture is sponsored jointly by the Society of Shaffer Fellows and Prevent Blindness America. The 34th annual Robert N. Shaffer Glaucoma Lecture will be delivered by Joel Schuman. Dr. Schuman was born and brought up on Long Island, New York. He received his undergraduate degree from Columbia University and his medical degree from the Mount Sinai School of Medicine. Dr. Schuman served his ophthalmology residency at the Medical College of Virginia and his glaucoma fellowship at the Massachusetts Eye and Ear Infirmary. Following his fellowship, Dr. Schuman joined the faculty of Tufts University, where a joint appointment in ophthalmology and electrical engineering computer science. Then, in Boston, Dr. Schuman became integrally involved in the development of optical coherence tomography technology. In 2003, he became Eye and Ear Foundation Professor and Chairman of Ophthalmology at the University of Pittsburgh, as well as Professor of Bioengineering at the University of Pittsburgh. In addition, he is Professor in the Center for Neural Basis of Cognition at the Carnegie Mellon University. Dr. Schuman has authored more than 250 peer-reviewed articles, more than 75 book chapters, monographs, and he has delivered over 100 visiting and guest lectureships. He has also co-authored Grant's Toxicology of the Eye, as well as the Optical Coherence Tomography of Ocular Diseases textbook. Dr. Schuman is the consummate clinician scientist. As a researcher, Dr. Schuman has been continuously funded by the National Eye Institute as a principal investigator since 1995. In 2001, Dr. Schuman and his colleagues were the first to identify a molecular marker for human glaucoma. Most notably, he is an inventor of optical coherence tomography, OCT as we know, which is certainly one of the most important advances in ophthalmology in recent decades. His honors are numerous. They include the Academy's Lifetime Achievement Award, the Lewis Rudin Glaucoma Prize, the Arvo Translational Research Award, and Clinician Scientist Lecturer of the American Glaucoma Society. In addition, he recently received the Champollion Award from Portugal's president in Lisbon in 2012. Life is not all work for Dr. Schuman. He has enjoyed music since his teenage years. He is an avid fan of the Pittsburgh Penguins. He also loves to travel and explore. On a personal level, Dr. Schuman and his wife, Carol, recently celebrated their 30th anniversary. They have a daughter, Alexandra, and two sons, Ari and Eric. Above all, Dr. Schuman is a kind, caring, compassionate physician, teacher, and researcher, beloved and respected by his colleagues, students, and patients. It is now my pleasure to present Dr. Joel Schuman to give the Shaffer Lecture.